to Shar Glow Up, and today we're here with Teresa.
Hi.
She's so excited to be here because I totally told her this was happening.
So excited. Not caught off guard at all.
So we're drinking sangria. It's amazing, and she finished hers. So
Getting ready for the camera.
let's see how well this goes. Alright, so we're gonna do a reaction video on some of my old photos that are on Facebook.
Okay.
We're gonna get her true reaction. Because I don't think she's seen these before. I don't think she's gone that far back in my Facebook.
No.
So we're gonna go with we're gonna start with this one.
Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. The features are still
The same.
However, I mean,
The style.
is questionable. Yeah, the vest.
Oh
I'm
my
not sure
God.
what was happening there. The vest and what.
Well, it was a year when vests were in.
Okay.
So that's why I had on the vest, because it was in style.
Okay.
And then it was Twisted Spirits.
Oh, okay.
So that's how we got the spray tattoo on our legs. Because we felt like everything in the world for this one. Like this was
Like the bomb diggity.
Oh yeah, this was lit. Oh my God.
What year was that?
Oh God. I want to say it was 20. She was before I came to Canada, before I got married.
Oh wow.
It's a long time ago.
You can tell you're much younger in there. Not to say she's Asian. You can say she looks much younger in the photo.
I want to say it was about like 2017.
Okay.
Was it? No, I was here.
2017?
Sorry.
I'm like,
I mean to say 2014.
that's 3 years ago, Charlene.
Not 2014, Anna. What am I saying?
6 years ago?
2006. That's what I mean.
Alright, she's cut off the sangria.
2006. Okay. Here's the next one.
Okay.
You know what?
So
It was a photo shoot.
really, so she's come a long way to say needlessly. If this was a photo shoot, her hair is in her. I can't really see her facial features. But she's
Because it
posing
was a
away.
pose. It was a model pose.
Oh yeah. Okay. Still obviously much younger.
Yeah, it's still in the same year.
Yeah,
I think
you
it was
can
around
tell.
the same year.
She is much skinnier.
I thought I was fat at that time too. So
No.
yeah, I look at it now and I'm like, oh my God,
Yeah,
I was
that,
so
that
skinny.
youthful age.
Yeah. When the fat didn't stay.
And obviously
Jeez.
natural hair there in this photo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, struggles. Oh. A different view, guys.
So yeah, like I said, your facial features haven't changed a whole lot. The outfit, you can tell that, you know. I was
just going on the road, okay?
She was just getting into the world of fashion.
I don't even think I knocked on the door yet. This was.
I completely understand. 'Cause, growing up in rural Jamaica.
This was in
This
Kingston.
was. Well, sorry, I grew up in rural Jamaica, and this would have been an acceptable outfit. So, anyways.
Oh my God.
This is the Kingstonian,
this was the look, okay?
The urban girl.
Yeah.
I'm a country girl, so I can't speak for that. But okay then, if you say so.
Oh God. Alright, okay, the next one.
Oh my God.
I don't know.
Oh my God. No, pass. I have no comment on this photo. People, I'm not sure what Charlene is trying to bring across.
Listen, this is my first pair of glasses, guys. Let's talk about the glasses. This is my first pair of glasses, but I don't know. And that's Roger. Can you believe it?
I can, yeah.
This skinny as hell.
Times have changed.
I don't know.
So let's say Charlene has transformed significantly. That will be my comment on this picture. I won't say anything more. I still want us to be friends after this video.
Oh my God.
So, yeah.
Okay, and then this is the next one. I think this was, oh Was this somebody's birthday I was going to? But I don't.
When you think about it, why did we cream her hair? Look at that. It just looks so dead. No bounce.
Jesus.
And then the plaid, was that in style?
Yes, it was in style at that point. It was in style, okay? Look at the curtains. Jeez.
Yeah, back in the day.
Oh Lord. But I was happy, okay?
She is smiling.
I was going somewhere to eat food, so I was happy.
That was your going out?
Yes,
Yeah.
I was. Leave me alone, okay?
So that transformation, this is casually coming to just have drinks. And in comparison to the going out for something.
Back then, jeez.
Transformation.
The glow is real.
From a caterpillar to a butterfly.
Oh
Hey,
my God. Jesus. Oh God. Okay, this was one of my birthdays.
Oh yeah. Club girl. That's a club outfit.
At Fiction. When Fiction was popping in Kingston.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this me and Kadisha. This wasn't bad though.
I didn't say it was.
It wasn't bad. It's plaid though. It was bad. But plaid was in, okay?
I cannot comment on this. Clearly, as a real country gal, I refuse to comment on the city girl outfit.
Listen, it was hot, okay? It was hot. Oh my God.
I remember the big belts though. I do remember
right?
that those were a thing.
Everything you wore
Yeah.
had to have on a big belt.
Yeah.
Oh my
Actually, I still
God.
have a few upstairs.
Me too. I can't wear it. Girl.
So Charlene is sporting the maxi dress before the maxi dress was a thing. But it's a mixture of the almost, Miss Lou traditional Jamaican clothing with something else going on.
Savage. Savage.
That's right. Again, I can't really say what's happening. I'm not sure. If Charlene seen someone wearing this in current day, she would brutalize them.
Yeah.
With all honesty and everything, but
My dress was everything, okay?
but she's feeling herself.
So clearly.
That's all that matters, right?
I was hot.
Yeah, it is in Jamaica, so she was hot.
Jesus. Oh Lord. Lord have mercy.
Okay.
Beach day.
It's funny. The thing that you've watched that growth and transformation, growing up, we always wear our 2 pieces of shorts on the bottom. And in modern times, I guess that confidence has grown. Because my dear friend, if she should highlight a current beach bathing suit.
Oh my God.
Yeah, exactly. We have everything hanging out. Nothing left for the imagination. Mexico style. And here we are. She's much more
Covered up.
much more
Conservative.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. When you're young, right?
That change, the transformation. Again, I'm going from the the caterpillar to the butterfly. Is this you as well?
Yes.
Yeah. That one don't look like you.
This is at work.
That doesn't look like you.
This was grown me. I was the manager at this place, so this was grown up me.
What's going on with your lips?
Listen. Duck lips was a thing. Like I made that a thing. Okay, I was making duck lips before it was common.
No question. She's feeling herself.
Lord have mercy.
How can I help you?
Oh my God, these pictures.
Oh, I think that's my favorite. I like the
This
bands.
one, yeah, when I was sporting the bands.
Yeah, that
and
one.
I chopped my hair off.
Yeah, that one looks. I obviously can't see the outfit inside the shop, but this probably is one of the top favorite out of your.
I like it. I like the bags.
Of your past.
Yeah. So far.
Yeah.
The bags.
Yeah.
This was I think 2009.
Okay.
Yeah, 2009 because we were still living in Constance.
Oh yeah, so there's the full photo. Again, ladies,
The belt?
I feel Charlene had a thing for plaid. She keeps saying that was the thing.
Miss, did you see her in stripes? She's
Maybe
in stripes.
I'm commenting on your photos. I cannot speak about someone I don't know. This is a review of Charlene's past photos.
You know Kadisha. Kadisha is right there. That's Kadisha.
I do know Kadisha, but Kadisha, I will not comment on your outfit. It's not fair, right? You're not here to defend yourself, so I will not comment on it. However, Charlene's photo. Back to Charlene's photo. Plaid must have been a thing for a long time.
Ooh.
Because Charlene...
It was during the same year. Like, what do you mean?
Okay.
Listen, it was a thing. I bought it at a store. It was a thing.
She has plaid with the belt again, you know. But, you know, Jamaican are leaders in fashion. I'll give that. We are very creative, unique, and...
Special.
I'll say flawless.
Flawless.
Yeah. And we're confident people, so it doesn't matter what we wear or what
That's
other
true.
thing.
We're gonna make
we wear it well.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say that. So Charlene wore it well.
You know what? That is not a compliment. Oh my god.
Yeah, this is just going in.
Yeah,
So this is okay.
Chilling.
Yeah, this is simple. I'm just gonna run down and get some fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Go to the
literally what we
market.
did though.
Yeah. Oh, that's fine. That's acceptable.
Down near the airport out there, so?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's acceptable.
Fish, yeah.
Basic tee and jeans is still
Yeah.
something that will never go to fashion.
True.
You pair it with the right things.
See?
Yeah.
So.
Is that blonde hair or hot? Yeah, man.
Hot.
Okay.
So in this picture, we were at a night.
Okay.
We were sitting down and they started to play a love song and I started to cry.
I was gonna ask, were you drunk?
No. I was sober.
So were you in love at the time?
Well, I guess I was there with Roger.
Did it bring back feelings?
I don't know. I just started to cry. Then they started to laugh at me, and then I started to laugh, crying.
Did you know the individual that?
No. I've never met. Listen. I don't know the individual that died.
Ladies and gentlemen, I cannot comment. I've asked all these very inquiring questions, and Charlene is saying no. So.
I
But
don't
she
know.
deserved to be laughed at. Maybe there was something.
I don't know. Oh my god. You days.
Charlie has forgot his angel.
Literally. When I thought I'm like, what were we doing? Charlie's Angels? Katie, what were we doing? Oh my god. And we have the pose too.
And you guys are in a dark spot with sunglasses.
Listen, it was for the photo. We were doing it for high five at the time or Facebook, whatever.
Well, again, all I'm gonna say, Charlie forgot his angels.
Do you remember high five?
Girl, no.
Oh my god. Were you?
I wasn't as cool as you.
You know what?
I wasn't as cool as this young lady. I'm the older version of Charlie.
Sure.
A lot of years are senior. I mean, after all, she's still just 21.
I'm 30, leave me alone. I accept the 30.
Yes, Lord.
I was at work. And this is one of my favorite shoes. Because I could walk in it and it was high heels and I could walk in it. It was comfortable.
Is it a jean day?
I wear jeans whenever I want to work. It was probably a Friday though.
Okay. I mean,
I don't know what was going on with my hair though. Like I
think it was
curled up the back or
natural.
something.
Remember they had that cornrow style where you
I think that's what I did, yeah.
And the thing and
Leave
the
the
back,
back,
you caught it up. So that it was a style. I can verify that because I wore it as well.
That's the one she verifies. Oh my god. Jeez. I don't know.
This is not bad either.
Skinny.
This is not bad.
Yo.
Yeah, this is not bad.
Can I ever get back to this? I don't know.
Was that a rhetorical question? Or that's a question?
No, it wasn't. I want an answer. I want an answer, Teresa. I want an
Please proceed to the next one.
You're not going to break my hope. I can get it back.
You know, if you believe it, you can achieve it.
Oh my god. This was us at Sovereign. Remember Sovereign in Kingston? Yeah.
I grew up in
Uniform.
Western Jamaica.
So you never hear about Sovereign?
No.
The elevator place? Anybody that wanted to go on an elevator in Kingston would go to this place.
No.
I literally went on a field trip from school to there.
What year was this?
This was still U days. Kaden came from, it was 2005, 2006.
I already lived.
Yeah, you lived here,
Yeah. So.
Oh yeah, we were in uniform. Oh, Calvin shirts.
Yeah.
Uniform.
Charlene likes that. I must say she likes. If she likes.
I like to coordinate.
She likes to coordinate, and she likes when everyone compliments each other, which is not necessarily a bad thing. So I'll give her that.
It's good.
She's very strong-willed too.
Is that a new word for it? Stubborn.
I'm going through all the description.
Okay, so the style started to evolve at this point, I believe.
Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's not bad. I don't have a bad.
About this
on
one, right?
On that one. I mean, obviously, you know.
The camera phones
we're still like evolving, so like the lighting and all that is off.
Yeah.
But the outfit itself, I have nothing negative to
A little
say.
bit of style coming out.
It's constructive.
Yeah.
Well done, Shirley.
Good look. Yeah. Look a look coming through. We are back. We are back.
Again, I'm gonna say just nice things. A simple tee and jeans. I'm not sure what the pose was about. You gotta spill. It's empty.
Oh god.
It's just my third one.
Oh my god.
Yeah, simple tee.
Girl.
And jeans, not bad.
What happened? I don't know what I had in my hand.
Water bottle, it looks like.
No, it was some alcohol. I would never do that with water. It was alcohol.
Are you sure?
Trust me.
Are you sure?
It was work.
People, I know this girl. I don't buy it. I don't buy it.
Lord have mercy. This was at Katie Ann's birthday.
Who's the person in the middle?
Nelly Shaw gonna kill me. But yeah, we were taking shots.
You.
Nelly Shaw wanted to take all of them. Oh my god, yeah.
I must say, Katie Ann, right?
Uh-huh.
Katie Ann's smile has not changed.
Oh, it's the same.
She has.
Yeah.
And she looks exactly the same as well too.
Same smile.
Yeah.
Oh
yeah.
god. Nelly Shaw, I don't know. Sorry, Nelly Shaw. This was in New York. With my cousin, first time. First time in New York with my cousin.
I think that my first trip I kind of somewhat similar, so
Yeah.
I'll give that to you.
Listen,
still
we
evolving.
tried. We tried out
I
here.
guess at the end of the day, you know.
The belt though, this was the era of the belt though. Like I
Everything was
had
for
to,
belting.
the belt stayed around I think for at least 2 years. Like the belt was going
It was
strong.
for a while. Yeah.
If you had a big
Because I believe in
belt,
2009, 2010,
Yeah.
it was still a thing.
the belt was used to cover a lot of stuff. God,
It can only cover so much.
right? Okay, so
You're
this
going to work?
This was in no. This was in Alabama. We were on summer job or whatever. I think this day we were going to the mall or something. So this was 2006.
Okay.
Summer.
Again, the jeans is nice. It has like that
Just a regular
distress.
the glasses though.
It has the distressed jeans on it. To be quite honest, I can only see your
I
smile.
can't really see
I
the
can barely
glasses.
see that you have glasses on. I'm sure it's not
The
terrible.
camera.
Yeah, so again, that involvement.
Thank
like you know,
God
it's
we
like
evolved. Yeah.
show like
Pictures.
come a long way. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh dear Lord, people.
So this was when I just started the gym in Jamaica, and this was in starting the year 2010.
Okay.
I just started working
That's your
out
gym
that
outfit?
stuff. Yeah.
Again, she has evolved.
Yeah, to my Lulus.
She has evolved. She would never be caught. Even cleaning her house, she probably would never be caught wearing this around. So that's quite the transformation and growth.
Oh God, the glow up. So this is 2010. wedding day. Cameras were still not good at that point,
Yeah.
but
You can tell it's a personal one, not a professional camera. Right?
yeah, it's a personal.
Yeah,
Oh God,
Yeah.
I would kill them.
Yeah. Everybody's
Yeah.
skinny.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah. I remember
Right?
those days.
Age, I tell you. See, this is my makeup. Oh, the baggy reach nice. So,
Is it someone with a
someone,
plastic bag?
yeah.
Someone steaming their hair in the makeup style.
Oh,
Show a
God.
cap.
But this was after my makeup was done and I had on the bird cage and stuff like that.
Okay.
And they took this picture. I kind of like this picture though. I like the lighting on it.
I mean, you're smiling, you're happy. There's nothing to really comment on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had to put something good in there in the mix of looking at.
Were you?
So this was my bridal shower.
I'm like, where were you? What's going on?
Underwear on the head.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So I look back at this picture now and I'm like, why did I put the underwear on my head? Like,
I'm like,
why?
what's happening there?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was all the thongs and stuff that they bought. Yeah, I put it on my head.
Oh, fun. She was like, people. She was like,
It was a surprise shower too.
Oh,
So
nice.
yeah. Yeah, I didn't know Kaden was here yet and stuff. So yeah, it was
That's
a
nice.
surprise shower. But yeah, that was fun.
and your birthday?
No. Oh. So there's a story behind this picture. So this is, I can't remember if this is before we were married or after or whatever. But anyway, that's Roger.
Yeah.
Skinny. So I came home.
She keeps saying skinny Rogers.
I can't. It's funny, back then when I looked at him, he didn't look skinny. But now you're looking back, you're like,
Girl,
you're skinny.
we've come a long way.
Right?
The quarantine 15 people. It's real.
Oh.
It's real.
So I think I was messing with him and I threw a little bit of water on him. And you know what he did?
Don't cut floor on it.
Oh yeah, and then he added water.
Yeah.
And Kadisha was here at the time and she was instigating
Of course.
this whole mess.
Of course. Of course.
And this happened. This entire ensemble that I had on, and I love these PJs bottom. It was Old Navy PJ bottoms. And I love them to death. I had to throw them all out.
Yeah.
Look at the face.
You must have provoked him to wrath.
You
That's
see
all.
him smiling? You see him smiling?
Like, winning.
Oh, there's one day he was drinking sorrel. I don't like sorrel. He was drinking it, and he's telling me to drink it. So he put some in my mouth, and I spit it out. Girl, I just came back from washing my hair. He poured the entire thing from my head.
Oh, wow.
I just washed my hair, just coming back from the salon.
Wow.
Oh my god. Ah, he paid for it though.
Okay.
Jay.
I was going to say that looks like...
Yep.
I was going to say young Jason.
Young Jason. Eh?
I'm sorry.
That should call him Jason, young Jason.
Sorry. You
Yeah.
look the same, Jason. Just the same.
But again, the belt. So I'm sitting now, but I was in a high-waisted skirt.
What's going on with the beads?
It was fashion, okay? The
I feel-
beads was fashion.
People, it looks like those lays that they make in Hawaii. That when you go, you get actually have some
They
similar
forget
to
the
that. That's what
clothes.
they give you. It must have been a Hawaiian theme night. I take it back.
You know what? This is high school.
Yeah, I can appreciate that.
Can you find me?
Oh my goodness.
She can't find me.
Hang on, I can find you. You're in the white shirt.
Okay.
Give me a second. Where's Waldo? Right there.
This is the time when they used to use film to take pictures.
Yeah.
And you couldn't see it right away. You had to like send it to clean and hope and pray that it
Come
took
back
a
from
picture.
this. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a few of those.
Oh god. I have those. When I go back to Jamaica, I should really like blow those up. This is after Madison. So this is Canada glow up.
Okay.
So girl, and I had braces at this time. So yeah. Girl was transforming, okay?
She just went into her cocoon and came out.
Yes. And at the last picture, oh wait, this is not a picture. I'm not sure. Anyway, because I'm gonna put up a picture for this.
Okay.
Just picture.
So
This is when I turned 30.
yeah, this was last year. Last year.
Yes.
And people,
I this year again.
if you know Charlene very well, Charlene's birthday is not just a day.
Yeah, because this is a part of the celebration too.
It's a production. A production. I think she had multiple photo shoots. One was casual wear, and the last photo she showed me was her elegant party stocking, show stocking.
Yeah,
party.
dinner wear. I had quite a few stuff. Yeah.
Unfortunately, I missed that part. I did show up in Mexico and get.
Yeah, we had a
turned
good
up.
time in
Yeah,
Mexico.
yeah.
Mexico was lit.
Yeah, yeah.
Now, this year, the group was planning to go to Bali. However, COVID decided that it was not a good year to go to Bali. So let's see what COVID says next year.
The Bali train. I'm still not signed up.
Listen, guys, we need Teresa there, okay? We need her there.
The Bali train, I don't know other people. However, I will be quite entertained with the photos and the jokes.
Oh my god.
Please.
Oh my
keep me
god.
entertained.
Alright guys, that's the end of our reaction video to my photos. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like, share. All my social information will be down in the description. Thank you, Teresa, for coming here. Hanging out with us. I don't know if she wants followers, but
No.
there you go. She's fine.
She's fine. She's fine.
Yeah, so guys, remember, like, subscribe, share, and check out my lips. I'm wearing my lip gloss. This is the color Char. Super cute, super nice. Are you? Ooh, and she's wearing the Katie.
The duck lips are perfect.
Guys, check us out www.glowupcosmetics.ca. Yeah, and until next time, bye.
Bye.